or good afternoon. Really don't know
Yeah.
very well.
And Laurie, did I hear that right? You're from Canada?
I am.
What time is it then?
It's 6 a.m.
Oh, and you can talk? That's great.
Luckily, I'm an early bird all the time.
Okay.
It's no problem.
6 a.m. Okay, folks. Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry to interrupt you guys in this previous preliminary conversations, but we are already live on YouTube. We are already live on YouTube, so welcome everybody. And it's really okay. So welcome all, and very, very pleased to be here with wow, such an impressive group of participants for this GroupMap masterclass. So let me just start by doing myself an introduction to myself. I'm Paul Nunes-Dia, co-founder of the Digital Collaboration Academy, along with my esteemed partner Peter Sear, which is also going to be our host today on this masterclass. And along with me in this masterclass, I have the privilege to have three really experts in GroupMap. I would say by alphabetical order, and Andrew Uffer is from Australia also. It's really great to have Andrew here because he's quite late in his part of the world where he's from. And I really appreciate the effort, Andrew, for you to be here and share your expertise with GroupMap with us today. Also with us, I have Thomas Cracker, which is a person with I'm constantly learning about GroupMap, really an expert. Also, like me, started in the event industry in the past. So he's a renowned facilitator, also a change management consultant and an expert in GroupMap that is here with us. And last but not least, and I noticed that I didn't fulfill the order of alphabetical order, but there's a reason for this. Jeremy Liu is the founder, the co-founder of GroupMap. And if there's a person that could be considered expert in GroupMap, I mean, Jeremy will be beyond the scale, right? Because he's the creator of this magnificent platform that we are going to use today. And I hope that you will be all learning a little bit more about this tool after the platform after this session. I also would like to welcome our members for the GroupMap Certified Facilitator course that's starting officially today with this masterclass. Welcome all for being with us here. This is the first time in our courses that we are opening the course with a masterclass open to the public. And this is why I also thank the participation of our former certified facilitators, GroupMap certified facilitators that are joining us. It's really our purpose that we can build a community here, a community of practice, that we can help you guys to expand your services as consultants with the use of the skills of digital facilitation. Right, and also, last but not least, all the guest participants and the registered participants in this masterclass. Thank you so much for taking the time to joining us. I know that this is a big chunk of your day, of your time of the day. It's going to be a session where we want to share a lot, as much as possible in 2 hours time frame. So this is my introductions. This is just a word of welcome, everybody. And I will now have asked each of the masterclass guest speakers to introduce themselves a little bit more in a 5 minutes pitch so that all the participants in the Zoom room know what they are going to learn from them in the sessions, in the breakout sessions that we are going to organize afterwards. And Peter Sear is going to be the host of this masterclass as organizing the breakouts. And then finally, we'll have group harvesting among all the participants in this session, so we can share and try to level up our understanding of GroupMap and also of digital facilitation. without further ado, Andrew, the floor is yours.
Fantastic. Thanks, Paul. I'll only take about an hour for my introduction, so that'll be all good. No, not funny. So I'm based here in Perth in Western Australia. Been using GroupMap now for probably 5 years or so, and obviously been using it probably more intently in the last 12 months with doing a lot of things remotely. And I was saying to Paul earlier, I just found it's such a robust and simple and easy to use platform. It just gets a lot of value every time I use it. So tonight, my process is going to be about using GroupMap for as a planning tool, and I want to use it for us as facilitators, for us to think about what it is we want to achieve in 2021, and think about some of the priority areas we're going to focus on. So I'm going to take you through a live demonstration using a process called wave analysis, and also some other online tools we can integrate that with to help either ourselves but also our participants do a visioning process that connects with that. So that's roughly where I'll be going with it. And we'll talk some of the GroupMap features we'll be looking at is also looking at how to use prioritizing and action planning with it. So that's the game plan for tonight, or tonight my time. It could be this morning your time, but that's where we're going.
Thank you so much, Andrew. Thomas, over to you.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Thomas Krecker from Germany. I have the pleasure that it's noon right now, so not too soon or too early or too late. And as Paul already mentioned, I'm in the meeting and conference business for a very long time. That's the reason why I want to show you something extremely old-fashioned. But which has come up to be more modern right now with the new features of Zoom, which we can take part of, and that is an open space or bar camp construction. If you don't mind giving me a thumb up or a thumb down if you know open space or bar camps. So, okay, then I will, okay, there are a few that I don't know, then I will explain it later. And by showing a GroupMap setup for a bar camp, I will put some extras and some nice little features of GroupMap onto it, and that's about it. So well, I try to start a little bar camp session if the time allows it, and otherwise I just explain it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so Thomas, thank you so much. And last but not least, Jeremy, over to you.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy, and really great to see you all. Thank you so much. I'm very honored by this, seeing all your faces and having you participate in the session and in the training that Peter and Paul have been doing for us. It's been great to see you. I'm going to admit I'm a little bit headachy at the moment because I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little injury here because one of my other passions besides GroupMap and digital facilitation is volleyball. And yesterday I decided to headbutt a wall and the wall won. So I'll be not doing that this evening. I'm going to be focusing on a World Cafe format, except it's going to be a virtual cocktail session. So the images will just be around sitting around a bar and talking about scenario planning around what could happen post-COVID. And I'll show you how to set up different maps within a workspace and some of the features around that as well.
Okay, fantastic. So that's a little bit the introductions about our guest speakers for the moment. Peter, would you like to say something about the dynamics of the session?
Yes, good evening, everybody. I'm Peter. I'm from Singapore and partner of Paul. Yeah. No, so this evening, right, is really having three very distinguished practitioners also in the GroupMap and also in their facilitation area to kind of share. They have introduced the topics, right? So I will be later asking you, right, to go into the rooms, all right? The rooms are assigned in room 1 is Andrew, in room 2 is Thomas, and Jeremy is room 3. Now the Zoom allows you to kind of choose your own room. So I will invite you when we start to go into the room, right? The sessions, each session will be 20 minutes for the first round, and we will come out for the 5 minutes break for you to change room 2 to go to the next room. However, we can only do 2 sessions instead of 3 sessions. So you got a choice of 2 rooms to choose. So now start putting on your thinking cap, which 2 rooms you would like to visit so that we can make a selection. Yeah.
Okay, cool. We've just shared the screen with the breakouts and the guest speakers, so you can decide your minds. And over to you.
Okay, I also made a selection here. We'll shift it a bit more to the side so you can see the room. Okay. All right. All right, I'm going to open the room and you can make a selections and assign on your own which room you'd like to enter. All right, if you have difficulty, myself and Paul, we are at the main room here waiting to help you to assign manually. All right. For all the speakers, you have 20 minutes for the sharing, and in between the changing room, will be 5 minutes. Right, we have 2 rounds. Yeah. And when we come back later, myself and Paul will be hosting the harvesting. Is really looking at what insights have you drawn from the learning? What was something beneficial for you? What is new insights you have gathered from this evening sharing? Okay, I'm going to open the room.
Just a quick question. So you're saying that we self-assign ourselves into rooms as opposed to you allocating the rooms and splitting?
Yes, exactly.
Oh.
But I'm aware maybe because of some technical difficulties, you can't assign it. Don't worry, I will be in the main room waiting for you. And you let me know, I will then assign you into the room. Yes.
I think
Would that be okay?
yeah, it's important to say that you are going to have like 25 minutes in each room. So you will be able to experience 2 sessions. Is that it, Peter?
Yeah.
Just a quick, sorry, I joined later. Hello, I'm Paolo from Italy. What
Hi,
was
Paolo.
Andrew's topic, the room 1? I heard the other 2.
Yep, we'll be using GroupMap to go through a basic planning process for you to vision, then plan out what your priorities are for 2021 as a facilitator, and we're using a process called wave analysis to do that.
Wave analysis, yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Is that a wave analysis from ICA top practice, and Andrew?
Yeah, there's a suggestion in Narsi here. There's a suggestion in the chat. Can you put the topics?
Yeah.
In the chat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
so
so
like
take your
can I invite the speaker to kind of quick put in the topic into the box here?
So I understand it must be tricky because we have here 3 very good options for you to experience.
Yes.
3 very good options.
Very tough choice, right?
Yeah.
Very tough choice, yes.
Yeah, what Jeremy's? Jeremy, what's your topic?
Jeremy, we're doing work cafe.
All right, thanks.
Yes. Okay. So let me recap a bit. So Andrew will be looking at weight analysis, looking at your future options. Maybe is a topic of your own personal selections. Thomas, you are doing more like an open space, if I get it correctly.
That's right.
Right, and you're doing a bar camp, yeah.
Yeah.
And Jeremy will be looking at Work Cafe on the scenario planning of future post-COVID using the Deloitte's model. Right?
Yeah.
All right.
Peter, one great. Sorry, Peter,
yes.
One great favor that you can do me. Can you put up in one more extra room? Is that possible right now, so that I can have
Sure.
2 rooms for the open space? If we have enough time to go through an open space session live, then I would need another room. That'll be great.
Sure. Okay, I'm doing it now.
And do I understand well that we can go first and see group 1 and then group 3, but we can experience both for 25 minutes?
Okay.
Right. Okay.
The sequencing will be this way. The first sessions, all right, the 3 rooms are running simultaneously. So you make a choice which room you like to go. Each session will be 20 minutes. I'll give you a 2 minutes warning before the rooms will end. And when we come out of the room, we have 5 minutes, all right, for a short break, and also allow you to go, to make a selection to go into the next session. The second session will still be 20 minutes, and 2 minutes before the ending, I will make an announcement before the session ends, and we will come out, all right? We'll probably take another 5 minutes break, and we will then come together for a harvesting, right? We only have time for 2 sessions rather than 3 rooms here. Would that be okay, Paulo? Yeah, wonderful. Okay, so I'm gonna open the room and then you make the selection. See you in the room. If you can't make any selection your own, let me know. All right, shut up the room and I will assign to you.
Is there a function on Zoom where we go into, because normally we normally are self-assigned a room. We're normally assigned a room in Zoom.
Yes.
So
Okay.
where are we looking? Where do we have to go?
It should be at a button on the bottom, right? But if you can't do it now, can you help you to assign, Julian? Which one you want to go?
So I'm going to go with Jeremy's room.
Okay.
Hang on, Peter.
Yes.
I cannot see the breakout sessions right now in my list. So maybe it's not started right since everyone is still
Me
here.
neither.
Yeah, it's not started yet. Correct. Yes.
No, me neither.
It didn't.
That's right. Okay.
Okay.
Not yet.
So there's no problem. Let me do a manual assignment now. No worries. We are all prepared for the unfortunate. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me assign the speaker to the room first. Okay, Jeremy, there you go. Okay, Thomas, going to the room.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Andrew, wow. Oh, there you go. Okay, Andrew, I'm going to send you to the room. Okay, let me shout out the name and let me know which room you want to go. Raj, which room you like to go?
Yeah, Andrew's room.
Andrews, okay. Jason, you?
Yeah, I'll go 1. Thank you.
Okay. Cynthia?
Andrews, please. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Anna Silver?
1, please.
Okay. Jason Deisman?
Hey, Jason.
Hi, I'll go in 2. Hello. Yes.
Going to, okay. Martina?
I'll go in room 1, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Martina. Hi.
Monica?
Hi, Monica.
Hi, Monica.
Yes.
Okay, 1.
1, okay. Marcus or Marcos?
I got 3.
Hello,
Okay.
Marcos. Good luck.
Lynn? Lynn, which one would you like to go?
Yeah. Oh, 1. Sorry. Thanks.
Oops. For whatever reason now, oh, okay. Paul, I'm going to send you to Andrew's room. I think he's asking for help. Okay. How you pronounce the name? Bogdan?
Bogdan, room 1, please.
Room 1, okay. Paulo? 3. Nasi?
Jeremy.
Jeremy, okay. Christina?
Did you mean Cristiano?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 3, please.
Number 3, okay. Laurea?
Peter, I can go anywhere that you've got lower numbers, doesn't matter.
Okay, I will send you to Thomas' room. Thank you.
Okay.
Fernando?
3.
3, okay. Terence? 1. Okay. Wanda?
3, please.
3, okay. Caroline. Or Carolina, sorry.
Carolina.
Carolina, which would we like to
Yeah,
go?
please, 2.
2. Okay, there's Thomas and Miliana.
3, please.
3. Okay. And Bob.
2, please.
2. Okay, thank you.
Peter, sorry, I chose wrongly. I'm going to.
Peter, you have to go to Andrew's room and make him co-host, please. I cannot do it.
Okay. Hold on now. Let me send.
I'll wait here if anyone else needs to be here.
Okay. So Andrew need to be co-host.
Yes. I think the best way they recommend to do this is to make everybody co-host, and then they can choose where they want to go. Hi, Lean. Good to see you.
Yeah, sorry, I chose the wrong room.
Yes, you're always changing your apartments, different apartment every time I see you.
Yeah, how come the background change? Oh, yeah, I have a lot of apartments, you see.
Yeah. Everything's well with you?
Okay, not too bad.
Good.
Yeah, you?
I'm fine too. Yes, I'm living like a snowstorm that was here like 1 week ago, but still lots of snow.
Must be so cold.
It is really cold. It's like you open the door and it's like going into refrigerator, you know?
Ayo.
It's terrible.
You better take good care.
Yeah. I have to bring the dogs inside the home because it's too cold for the dogs outside, you know. Which room you like to go?
2.
Room 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can assist you on that because it's I'm not the co-host. Yeah. Let me. Oh, Peter, can you make Lynn co-host so she can move around?
Sorry.
Because once we are co-hosts, we can move around at our own. We choose the rooms.
Thank you. Sorry. Peter, you're muted.
Yep.
And no, I have problem making Andrew host. Can you go in and help him? I don't know why I cannot open.
Oh, you cannot make him host. Okay, so Lynn.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it has to do with your rights. You have to do with your right setting.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and then assign Lynn. Please assign Lynn to the.
Yes.
I'm co-host already.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's better to make everybody co-host and then.
All right,
okay,
right. I think you're gonna do it from your side. Yeah. Can?
Yeah.
Okay. And we are on live stream, remember?
Yeah, I know. What I need to do is to go to the breakouts.
Yeah, I think you have to do it. Yeah. Can you go to the breakout room and do it? Yeah.
To see Andrew.
As the co-host, we can't go into.
No,
exactly. Are you closing the rooms, Peter?
No, I'm not closing the room.
Because they're closing in 24 minutes. I don't know what you did, but.
No, I didn't do anything.
Yeah, they are closing rooms in 16 seconds, and I cannot stop them. Yeah, I cannot stop them. Maybe back to you. I'll make you host again and try to stop that.
No, I can't stop that anymore.
Maybe we wait for everyone to come back and make everyone co-host and then send us out again.
I think that is the best strategy, is to make everybody co-host and.
Yes.
I think they was put a timer on the breakout room and we are back now.
Yes, I apologize for this. We are going to make you everybody co-host so you can choose your own rooms and that's the best way for you to be.
Yeah, we apologize for that because when we move around, there's some technical, we can't switch the host. Yeah. So we're going to do it. Yeah.
So everybody is going to be co-host, and then you can choose the rooms, and you can also do the presentations you like.
Yes.
But you have to move us into one room, all of us, a separate room, and from there we can choose the rooms.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Okay.
Sorry about this. Okay, is there anyone still missing to be co-hosts? Did I make everybody co-host?
Not me. I don't see my name as a co-host.
Okay.
Narsi here.
Narsi, okay, you're done.
Not me, Paolo.
Okay, Paolo, you're done now. Thank
And
you.
Laura, I think, I don't know if you did Lori.
Laurie, okay.
The room are still intact, actually. The room are still intact.
How do you know if you're a co-host?
Go to the participant list.
Yeah, press the participant list and you can see your name are all co-hosts.
Okay, so now everybody is co-hosts, and
Yes.
we need, you can
No,
choose the room. Yeah.
No, they are all in their room now. They are back into the
Okay,
room now.
yeah, fantastic.
Expect,
Bowden, are you a co-host
Bowden,
now?
Which room you like to go, Bowden? Okay.
No.
Okay, Lin Wong.
Whoa, now everybody is co-hosts. And
Yes,
that's,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
better.
Yes. You can stop the